search macrium reflect and just click this, the first one, macrium reflect software. So after you click, just scroll down and you see there is more reflect, but for now we are choosing free commercial because this one is on the reflect 8 workstations has it's only a trial, so we want to choose commercial, free commercial. So just click free. You just need a personal free license. Just continue. So just wait, we're gonna be downloaded. See, just goes when the downloading is coming. So let's wait after finish. Alright, finish. So let's see. Now here we are, the reflect. So just double click or run administrator, the reflect. So after that, just download. So it's been up. It is easy to make how to restore the image. Okay, so download is finished. So just click yes. Next. Alright, coming. Next. Just accept. Next. Home. Just next. This one, if you want to make register your email, just click here. But if you don't want to make register, just uncheck. But me, we are using not register my email, so I just uncheck. So install. Next. Next. Yeah, it's coming. Alright. It's almost finished. Yeah, it's finished. So I'm gonna launch it. Update. So alright, let's update. Window. In macrium. How to make a bootable macrium. This is easy. I will show you to another video. For now, our topic is restore the image to the new hard disk or other hard disk. So I'm gonna put the USB hard drive. So here's my hard drive where the image here. I will this one, you see this is the image. Alright. So I put it where are you? I see, as you can see, here is my the other hard drive. It's unlocated, so I'm gonna be assign new. Alright, you see there? You see this? Now it's new hard disk. Then gonna restore the image to the volume Z. The image is coming from here, this F. Yeah, this one. Pause image. Yeah, this one. Start. Yeah, now it's showing this one, right? G, volume G. Now showing this one. So here we go. Copy, select partition when you click annex the file. Yes, right. So just click the hard drive. Hard drive. So now the next, as you can see here, schedule partition, restore partition, system start, volume if is interface. So sector 63. So yeah, now it start, finish. Let's go. All target volume Z. Confirm yes. Just click this. Yes, it will be Z only. Be careful because maybe you choose a wrong driver. If you have more driver in your, like me, I have a fourth hardest one of the computer, one of the hardest where the image from, and the other hard drive for, yeah. So continue. Okay. This is the hard G. So it's format, giving format. So yeah. Now it's finished. Alright, so start complete. Okay, close. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna test if the hard disk is totally successful. Alright. Now we have to put the hard disk with that hard. As you can see, now it's put hard disk. Then on. Right, it's working. See here, and should detect. By the way, that image is only 7. So you see, guys. You see that? Yeah. Tester admin. Now only the password, but sorry, but they will dare not give me the password, so do not log it. But the most important, the image is successful, the image is coming, the Windows is coming, but I cannot log in because I don't know the password. They will, guys, they will not give me, the what is the password. So that's it. Thank you, guys.